2020 started out as a great year. The Grahams had planned several trips and were looking forward to new adventures. This all changed when the coronavirus struck humanity, and the world would never be the same again. Our external adventures were temporarily placed on hold due to a statewide quarantine, but that did not stop our fun together at home. Stay tuned and see how we are making the best of these trying times. Okay, we're on quarantine according to Holden. It's day 27. In reality, it's
actually day 11 for us. This is something we do often.
wash your hands.
I made some homemade waffles. Come here, come see.
Ready?
Ready?
Oh man, they're saving one for me.
Bring them off of there. Here we
Can I have a couple
go.
of those?
Yes.
So, luckily we got a nice new kitchen. That was 2 years in the making, which definitely helps the situation.
Yes.
We listened to the coronavirus rap remix to kind of give us some tips on how to operate in life. But we're making the best of it as a family. Any parting thoughts?
Sanitize and stay inside.
There you go. Dukes, he quarantined his stinky breath the other day, and look, it ain't got him down at all. Oh, waffle cam. So extreme. But stay clean, stay safe, and also part of quarantine is wearing festive Hawaiian shirts. The governor said that. We're on vacation at home. Okay, we're still on quarantine, but what are we out here doing?
Drawing with chalk.
Drawing with chalk? That's so pretty. We got a rainbow, we got a sun.
This is gonna be a flower.
Okay, we're in a heated game of bears versus babies. There's bears, there's babies. We have a Jabberwocky that's pregnant with dolphin babies who runs at the speed of light with a drill and a hat.
Saucy sombrero.
And we have a bat
With a party hat.
And Matt and Haley are getting all the babies right now.
And Mama's got a beaver carrying a knife cat. Don't mess with no knife cat. So we'll let you know who wins in a minute. In case you want to know, I won. I had the most points. Okay, Evie, how are you doing in quarantine?
No, let's Subos.
You want to watch Star Wars?
Yeah.
Do you like Star Wars? Who's your favorite character? Who do you like?
Do you like Chewbacca?
Yeah.
Okay, in quarantine, you gotta do home projects. And when you're a pipe fitter, you gotta make pipe shelves. Kids are doing homework. We got Daniel Tiger. What you got going on, baby girl? What do we got going on over here?
Algebra 2.
And then we got, his job this morning is to giggle, which that's all I've done. And what are you doing, Haley Rain?
English.
And Mom's setting the cuckoo clock we just mounted.
Oh,
We've owned it, but we had it down since we did the kitchen remodel.
We're gonna sing it. Ready? You are my
Sunshine.
my only.
Sunshine.
You make me
Happy.
when skies are
Boo. Go again.
You'll never know, dear, how much I
Love you.
so don't take my sunshine away.
Yay! Melissa, Corona update.
We're housebound and finding things to do.
And we found Nemo.
So we're playing Animal Crossing too, which is fun.
Mm-hmm. And we got little characters running around like this one. Huh. Okay, do the thing We've been held up for many days with no hope in sight, but we do have to go get groceries. And we also have to get what?
Pizza.
We have to get some pizza. They're gonna bring it out to us. We gotta leave the house at least once. And the big trucks asked me to drive it, so.
What has been the hardest part of being quarantined?
Well, we're very social animals, and so we like to go out in the world. We like to go shopping, go out to dinner, go out to movies, and all that's been put on hold. And it's a little bit of adjustment being around 4 kids. This one does it all the time. I'm at work most of the time, and so that's a little bit of an adjustment too. Kind of being there and listening to the complaining and screaming 24/7. I'm getting used to it though, but yeah, not being able to be out in the world and kind of just do our normal thing.
I think that something that's hard for me about being in quarantine is like not seeing my friends and stuff and not going to school, because I actually like school and it gives me something to do, and it's kind of boring sitting at home. And I also like going on adventures and stuff like Matt said. So it's kind of hard not leaving the house. And stuff like that.
What about you, Evie? What's hard about being in quarantine for you?
See animals on the weekend.
You want to see animals on the weekend?
No, Monroe and Reagan.
Oh, and Monroe and Reagan. Oh, you
Yeah.
want to see animals in Monroe and Reagan, and you can't right now, can you? What about you, Holden?
I actually like homeschool because it gives us something to do. And we just get to sit inside and chill out and do school. So you like
So you like being in quarantine then?
kind
Is
of.
there anything you don't like about it?
I can't see my friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would say probably the hardest part is just not getting out and doing stuff like we normally do. Just similar to Matt's, sentiments. We haven't been able to travel or go camping or do a lot of the things we're used to doing. Being at home a lot is definitely a change for us. We go out quite often, so hopefully it'll be over soon and we'll look back on this time and have made good memories during it.
We're at Walmart. We got mad love for the people still working through all this.
Thank you, grocery workers.
Thank you, grocery workers and essential people.
And all the frontline people out there, including this guy right here who's working through it.
We're appreciative of everybody that's got to be out there doing this. So, are you a frontline person? Are you a frontline baby?
Yeah.
Hi, Duke. Okay, we're having our backyard's kind of wrecked. We're all helping together. How we doing, Mama?
Good. Getting the chickens all situated.
Nice.
They like happy, healthy homes.
Nice. Everybody's doing their part. We're cleaning up the backyard. One nice thing about quarantine and lockdown, since we're not going out, is we get to spend more quality time together with this one. Are you Evie? Did you have breakfast?
Yeah, I'm going to go.
What did you have for breakfast? Did you have yummy bagel
Yeah.
with bear honey and peanut butter? Is that, oh, look at this. Is that yummy? Did you have some milk too? Ooh, yummy. Oh, watch her, look at that. She's using a big girl cup too. Oh my goodness. We're making the best of this beautiful weather. And Everly Rose has a remote control car. Is that fun? Yay. What are we about to do?
We're about to howl at 8.
8
It's
o'clock?
actually a Facebook group, and we decided to give it a try.
Betsy, are we gonna howl here in a minute?
We're gonna howl
We're
at
gonna
8.
we're gonna howl at 8.
Evie, up here.
We're gonna howl at 8. I'm gonna howl at 8. We're all gonna howl at 8. And we're gonna be it. And guess what? We're gonna have a howl of a time. Betsy, are you gonna snort at 8 o'clock? Hey, everybody howl. Down.
I heard people over there.
Did you? Ow! This pandemic and quarantine can be stressful at times. Despite this, we are handling it well and making the most of these strange days. I would encourage everyone to take this time and reconnect with your immediate family and realize we are all strong and we'll get through this together. We do not know what tomorrow will bring, but we hope you join us when we can resume our travels and adventures outside of the Graham homestead. In the meantime, take care and be safe.